Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get 2 hairs on Roblox mobile. First, open the Roblox application on your mobile device. Once the app is loaded, tap on the avatar icon, usually located at the bottom of your screen, to access the avatar editor. From there, you'll want to select the hair category to see all the hair accessories you own. This is the crucial first step to customizing your look. Now, let's equip your first hair. Choose one hair accessory you want to wear and tap on it to equip it to your avatar. After equipping the first hair, scroll down within the avatar editor. You should see a small, often overlooked, advanced button. Tapping this button will open up a new set of options, allowing for more intricate customization of your avatar's appearance. To add your second hair, you'll need its unique asset ID. You can find this ID by going to the Roblox website, finding the hair item, and copying the numbers from its URL. Once you have the ID, paste it into one of the empty slots provided in the advanced avatar settings. After pasting, simply tap the Add or Save button to apply both hair accessories to your avatar simultaneously. If you encounter any issues, first ensure you are using the official Roblox mobile application, as third-party apps may not support this feature. Also, double-check that both hair accessories are compatible with your avatar's body type. Occasionally, very old hair items might not work with the advanced editor. With these steps, you should be able to successfully wear 2 hair accessories and personalize your avatar even further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.